The Klarpul 600W Cordless Vacuum offers exceptional cleaning power with its ultra-strong suction, effortlessly capturing fine dust and stubborn pet hair from various floor surfaces. Its extended runtime of up to 65 minutes in eco mode, facilitated by fast charging, ensures thorough cleaning without frequent interruptions. This vacuum's self-standing design provides convenient storage and easy access between cleaning tasks, eliminating the need to lean it against walls or furniture. Equipped with versatile cleaning tools, it effectively tackles narrow gaps and hard-to-reach areas, ensuring no hidden dust is left behind. Weighing only 6 pounds, this ultralight vacuum offers cordless flexibility and glides smoothly across different surfaces, making whole-home cleaning both efficient and comfortable. The touchscreen control allows seamless switching between suction modes and provides real-time updates, enhancing the cleaning experience with smart, responsive features.